nagka-problema ang power supply ng Piso Wi-Fi. So, I bought a coin-operated na Piso Wi-Fi. I don't usually use this, pero for sake of simplicity lang, kasi I normally use voucher code na Piso Wi-Fi. It's more reliable and stable. Nung nabili na namin ang Piso Wi-Fi box, kami ng office mate ko, for 8,000 pesos, hati kami, and deployed it sa karinderya ng architect namin at iniwan namin for 2 weeks. So after yan, nagka-problema ng ang power supply. So dinala namin sa seller at pinalitan ang 12 volt na power supply. So iniwan namin ulit. So after 3 days, same thing happened. Since hindi na kami covered ng warranty, bumili kami ulit ng power supply, another gastos naman. Sabi ng nagbabantay ng karinderya, prone daw sa area for low voltage and fluctuations. Ngayon, nilagyan namin ng AVR and UPS para sigurado, para hindi masira. So guys, I recommend adding these things para iwas sira ang Piso Wi-Fi box